Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to e-file your own nails. Begin by washing hands and gathering a 180 grit file, a 240 grit finishing file, buffer, and cuticle oil. Always file in one direction and support the fingertip to prevent splits. Keep light, gentle strokes and check symmetry often. Finish with a buffer to smooth ridges, apply oil to the cuticle, and dry thoroughly before polish or styling for best results. Start by seating comfortably and resting your elbow on a table for stability and control. Use a 180 grit file to shape the free edge, finishing with a 240 grit for smoothness. Always file toward the center in one direction to reduce damage. Check each nail against the others for consistent length and shape. Finish edges gently with a buffer and seal with cuticle oil to nourish and protect the nail plate. If you're finding this guide helpful, hit subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how many people think about money and simple planning, so it's worth a look if you want smarter spending and saving habits. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Be mindful of pressure and angle to avoid thinning the nail and creating weak spots. Replace or sanitize files between uses to prevent cross-contamination. Never rush the process. Slow, consistent strokes give the best shape and strength. Tend to the cuticle gently and hydrate regularly to maintain healthy nail beds. When in doubt, step back and reassess rather than overfiling one nail to match another.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.